Hey guys, it's David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we have a good video for you guys today. It is a little retro job on a home theater that we're upgrading, and we're putting in some JL Audio in-wall subs. This room is roughly 19 by 19. And so to pan around this way, you'll see we have a custom SI screen. This is a 109 inch. We have the new Sony laser, the 5000. That's coming in here very, very soon. It's been ordered. I think it actually got delivered. So we'll be bringing that in. And then we have the custom speakers throughout the cabinet. We have the left and the right. We have a pair of Atmos. And then on this back wall here, we have the rear surrounds, and these are something special. These are the darts, and check out those bad boys. So we have we've installed this system a few years ago, and now we're adding some custom JL Audio subs in the back. Here is two of them, and they are huge. So I want to show you guys real quick before we start going. We're going to put them on this back wall behind me. So we have two going in the back, and we're going to have two going in the front. So right here, we're going to have one. There used to be an old in-wall sub over there. We're going to have it actually go near that corner, but we're going to have a chair open the wall. We're going to have to do some reframing. It's going to be a big pain. Retros can be like that in this particular house. That opening to this room was wider, and then so there's been some construction already. So we really have no idea what we're getting into. We just know that we're going to have to bring in some extra supports, make this thing happen. But you know, you got to do what you got to do. And then on this back wall, you may not be able to see, it's kind of washed out with a lot of light, but we're putting another in-wall sub in there. So we'll bring the sheetrock tape and mud guys in after we tear open these walls and get these bad boys in. But this room is going to be nice when it's done. It's nice, big, open. So again, we have two JL Audio in-wall subs in the back, and then we'll have two subs in the front. That'll be front firing in this cabinet. So be super, super awesome. But man, these JL Audio subwoofers, look at this. So it comes with these brackets. So see, these brackets have a real thick, you kind of see that rubber edge. So these are used to mount them to the studs. So the rubber helps isolate the subs. And then it comes with a whole bunch of this like velvet tape, super thick, that you wrap all around the studs with. So also again, it's isolating the vibrations from the sub. And then the whole entire, I hope you can see this guys, but the whole case is real thick velvet. The whole thing is lined with that as well. So they have these braces that we're going to, right there, mount to the studs. Another one down here, studs. And then these are just placeholders, just so it's placed perfectly within the studs at a certain height. And then we have all the hardware. And then once it's all in place, then we take those brackets off. Speaker grill that will go right here. So this is actually covering the speaker. The speaker's actually already in this enclosure. So we got a lot of work ahead of us, guys. So I'm gonna put the camera down. We're gonna start cutting up these walls. We'll take you through some of the process with the agony of all the sheetrock and everything else that comes with it, comes out of it, the insulation, and then some reframing. So fun stuff. So stay tuned, guys, because we have more coming, and this is gonna be an awesome project when it's done. But step one is just getting the subs out and cutting the holes and getting them in. So here we go. All right, so after a few hours into this project, as you can see here, we have the JL Audio subs installed. So once we cut this hole open, guys, you just don't know. You just don't know. And so, of course, our studs weren't quite where we want them to be, so we had to cut over further to make it 16 on center, and then we put a new header and new bracing going all the way down to the bottom. Take you down here, see, all the way down to the bottom, and then of course we have our 14 gauge Jew conductor going right here, going to the positive and the negative of this sub, so we have it ready to go. And then again, this is where the driver is. This is to protect the driver. while it's being sheetrocked. So the guys will sheetrock this and cut this out, and then we'll come back and put the grill on so it'll fire straight through this. And here is the other one. So, and it's right next to one of the speakers for the surround sound, and the speakers is a little bit further over on the other side. So lots of holes to patch. We knew that coming into this project. So this is phase 1 of installing the JL audio on a retro. And like I said, we got 2 14 gauge 2 conductors going down. Ran that over there to the rack area, and man, this thing is gonna thump when it gets done. I can't wait. But now we got, unfortunately, wait on the sheetrock guys to come out and tape mud and texture. So that'll be all for this video. We'll continue on with a phase 2 once the sheetrock guys come out and do their thing, and we'll get these walls painted to look good and get the grills on and be done with this rear wall with these subs. JL audio subs are super awesome. Easier obviously to install during the pre-wire stages on a new construction, but we're showing you here, you can do it on retro. Might be a little bit of sheetrock repair, maybe a little framing, but it can be done. So hope you guys like the video so far. You guys stay tuned for number 2 so you see the finished product. So if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them in the section down below. Love to hear from you guys, and we have a lot of cool videos coming out. A lot of really cool projects we're working on, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, and love to see you guys on the next one. So have a great day. See ya.